Accidentally deleted a Facebook page and want to get it back? Here's a simple way to check if you can recover it. So, let's get started. First, open Facebook on your browser or app and log into your account. Tap the hamburger icon in the top left corner. Next, expand Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap on Pages. Look for the option Reactivate Your Pages and tap View next to it. Here, Facebook will show all the pages you've deactivated or deleted. Find the page you want to recover and tap Reactivate. And that's it. Your deleted Facebook page will be restored instantly. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple social media tips. Thanks for watching.